You have searched your own email for a message you could see and it wasn't there. This is LatticeDB, and one question runs 3 kinds of search. It finds paragraphs that mean what you asked for even without your words in them. It finds the paragraphs that do contain your words. Then the question walks from a paragraph to its document and on to the author. All 3 are in one file. You open LatticeDB the way you open a file. Every part of LatticeDB reads and writes through one patch of memory, and underneath that, one file. Everything you store ends up in that one file. Here is your data, your things, and the links between them. To search it quickly, LatticeDB builds 2 more structures out of it. The meaning index is layers of links between your items. A few long jumps at the top, every item at the bottom. The word index is a dictionary from each word to the items containing that word. Change your data, and both indexes change too. Here's the part worth knowing. This whole file is nothing but blocks, 4 kilobytes each. The meaning index keeps 1 record for each item, and that record is 21 bytes. 8 bytes name the item. 1 byte says how high it sits in those layers, and the last 12 bytes are 2 addresses, which block holds its numbers and which block holds its links to its neighbors. The links are in blocks too. The project calls a block a page, and its own comment says, the connections for many items get packed into shared pages. Every block carries a tag saying what it holds. The tags for the 2 search indexes sit in the same list as the tags for your data. The very first block of the file holds 1 numbered list. Your things are number 0, your links are number 1, 5, 6, and 7 are the word index, and 8 is the meaning index. The list is 16 slots long, and each slot holds the block where one structure starts. Every one of those blocks also carries the same kind of checksum, so one routine can tell whether any block in the file is intact. All of that has a name. LatticeDB is an embedded graph database, your things and their links, in a file your own program opens. 1 line installs the command line tool, and 3 languages have libraries: Python, TypeScript, and Go. LatticeDB is open source under the MIT license, and it depends on nothing else. Version 0.13 has builds for Linux and macOS on both Intel and ARM. It is built for one program on one machine owning the file. Searching means building a second structure out of your data. Here, that second structure is made of the same blocks as the data in the same file. That is Jeff Hajewski /LatticeDB on GitHub. New repo tomorrow.